Hello, about myself. My name is Yolima Bolaños. I am 25 years old. I come from Sogamoso. I live in Belém, Boyacá. I live with my husband and my son. My job is in coffee and snack store. My hobby is listening to music. My favorite TV show is El Chavo del Ocho. My favorite sport is basketball. My family. My family is the best kid in my life, my husband, my son, and me. My husband is Diego. He is 30 years old. And husband, his job is as driver. My son is Esteban. He is 4 years old. And he is studying. And his grade is kindergarten. My husband is a wonderful man. He is very sweet with us. My baby is a great kid. He is very funny and smart. I love my family because they are wonderful men and they make me happy. Thank you.